Let's solve this together. It says 8 raised to the power x is equal to 72. We're required to solve for x in this question. Okay? Now the first thing we can do here is to say that 8 is equal to 2 raised to the power 3. Okay? Now 72 on the other hand is equal to 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 2. Let's now replace our 8 and 72 with this index in this equation. So we have 2 raised to the power 3 will now be raised to the power of x to be equal to 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 2. Okay? Now when you have a raised to the power m raised to the power of n, it's equal to a raised to the power m multiplied by n. Applying the same law here, we have 2 raised to the power 3 times x is 3x to be equal to 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 2. At this point, you can say, let's say the logarithm of both sides. So we have logarithm of 2 raised to the power 3x is equal to logarithm of 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 2. Okay, in bracket like this. Moving on from here, you can say that this logarithm we are taking, let's take it in the base of the number carrying x. The number carrying x is 2, so we take the logarithm in base 2 of both sides. Now you can say logarithm of a number raised to the power, you multiply the power with that log. So we have 3x multiplied by logarithm of 2 to base 2 is equal to, on this other side, we have logarithm in base 2 of 2 to the power of 3 plus logarithm in base 2 of 3 squared. Okay? Again, moving on from here, you can say logarithm of a number to use some base is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. X to be equal to, again, we have 3 multiplied by logarithm of 2 to base 2 plus 2 multiplied by logarithm of 3 to base 2. Now this is 3x is equal to logarithm of a number to its base is 1. 1 times 3 is 3 plus 2 multiplied by logarithm of 3 to base 2. Now our x finally becomes equal to 3 divided by 3 is 1 plus 2 over 3 multiplied by logarithm of 3 to base 2. This now becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.